Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking into 8 online remote jobs that Nigerians can do getting into 2026. So if you have been going online on YouTube, on Google, typing keywords like how to make money online, you're welcome to this video. Let's get into it and let me show you how you can make money remotely in Nigeria in 2026. So I'm going to be listing a lot of jobs that you can do, and I'm also going to be listing the platforms where you can get those kind of gigs. I'm going to list them in no particular order, but before I get started, I'm also going to show you some particular key things to watch out for while looking for online remote jobs. The very first measure you can take is to avoid scams. What do I mean by avoiding scams? Of course, nobody wants to be involved in a scam, right? So the first thing is to avoid scam. While you are searching for remote jobs, you are definitely going to see some of them which requires you to make some particular payment to apply for this job. That is a red flag, okay? So you need to be wiser enough to use your head. Of course, you are looking for a job. There is no certain job that requires you to make some certain payment before you can get a job. Of course, you are looking for the job for money, to make money, right? So it's a red flag for a job to request for a payment before you can get the job. Also, it's a red flag for a job to request for some certain personal document like your passport, your ID card photograph, your body photograph. I don't know. It's a red flag, right? It's a certain red flag. The second precautionary measure that you need to take is to use legit job searching platforms like LinkedIn that has success history, right? You need to dig, right? Make your own research about all these platforms, which I'm going to be giving to you in this video. You need to make your own research. Don't be lazy. If you want to make money online, you need to make research. You need to get on your seat and you need to work. You need to make a lot of browsings, right? So let's get to the third precautionary measure, which is to read reviews. Read reviews. Go to platforms like the Trustpilot, go to LinkedIn, go to Facebook, go to social media, go to YouTube, type in the name of that organization and read comments. You need to read reviews. Ask other people who have had experiences with that particular company or that particular organization. They will have something to tell you. So with that said, in no particular order, we are now going to get started into the list that I have for you today. The very first one I have right here is PDF conversion. You either convert some things to PDF or you convert some things from PDF to another version, right? It's just very simple. Platforms which you can see those kind of jobs or those kind of gigs are Fiverr, Upwork. You can also see those kind of jobs in Guru. You can see those kind of jobs in Jiji. Yes, Jiji is also a job hunting platform amid other product selling platforms, right? These 4 that I've just listed right here is good for PDF conversion jobs. The second one in my list is online surveys. So this one is very popular, and this one, most times if you're coming from a third world country like Nigeria, it's going to be difficult for you to get surveys jobs because most of them pays through PayPal. But if you have someone abroad in UK, in London, in US, of course, they can help you to get a PayPal account, which they can manage that if you can trust them enough. So you can get survey jobs from platforms like Prolific. Yeah, you can also get these kind of jobs from platforms like Modsqaud. So these kind of jobs are very popular, and also it's easier to get scammed with these kind of jobs as well. So you need to take the precautionary measures which I've listed earlier in the video. The third one in my list is website or app testing. So this one, you actually need some basic skills on website and applications to be able to apply for these kind of jobs. So, but there are a lot of platforms where you can get this kind of website or mobile app testing jobs. Platforms like Try My UI, platforms like User Testing, and also platforms like Testing Time. You can see these kind of jobs right there. So these ones, the requirement is some basic experience in website development or app development, whereby you can be able to test them and make reviews and feedbacks. The fourth job on my list right now is social media moderating. So a lot of these big influencers, these big platforms, they are looking for social media moderators. So if they make posts, the people that will scroll through their comment section and delete some certain kind of comments and all that, that is not going really well with the brand and all that stuff. Yet it's a job, and you can get it from platforms like Live World, platforms like Jobberman, platforms like Guru as well. And there's another platform called the Modsqaud. Yes, you can get this kind of jobs right there. The fifth job in our list is AI data labeling. AI data labeling these days is actually becoming more popular and popular, and the platforms where you can get these kind of jobs are the Amazon MTalk, also platforms like the Toloka, also platforms like the Scale AI and the Remotetasks. Okay, there's a platform called Remotetasks. So the sixth job in my list is virtual assistant. So this one is really very popular, and then it's exploding these days. A lot of people, influencers, content creators, companies as well, personalities and other stuff, they have need for virtual assistants. You don't really need to be with them to be their assistant. You can be the guy indoors sitting at the table, replying to messages, emails, sending reminders and all that stuff, doing all the inside jobs. It's just being someone's PA, right? Physically, but right here is virtual. So you can get these kind of jobs from platforms like Jobberman, platforms like Fiverr, platforms like Upwork, and also platforms like LinkedIn. Yes, this one you can get it from LinkedIn, right? Now the second runner, or the seventh job in my list, is going to be the support chat agent. Live support chat agent. So a lot of websites these days, or applications these days, have this little widget on them that is meant for customer support. Just like you walk into the bank, you have the customer service. A lot of these websites and apps these days has this widget whereby their visitor or the client can click right there and message their live support. Okay, so a lot of websites have this feature, and they also need people to fill in these positions as the live support agent, whereby they can inquire a lot of things about your company, and you of course give them a live response. And you can get jobs like this from Indeed Africa. You can also get jobs like this from platforms like Glassdoor, Upwork, or LinkedIn. And that brings me to the last job in my list. But before I get into that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section. Now the last job in my list is going to be data entry. A lot of companies or businesses have large data just sitting there, maybe from pen to paper, right? And they need it to be entered into their systems or their Excel sheets. And that is where you can fit in if you are a data entry agent. Okay, so you can get jobs like this from platforms like Joblanders, also platforms like Glassdoor, platforms like LinkedIn, and also platforms like Jiji. So that wraps up this video for us. If you also have another suggestion of job that people can try out online and remotely, please leave it in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, and please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification. I'll see you in the next one.